what we're about to experience is me riding a camel. Now, we don't know how long the line's gonna be. We don't know how long the ride's gonna be. But, you know, we want y'all to get the full experience of this depot experience, even though you're not here. So, you know, we might get some action shots, we might not, but we're gonna try. It's looking like there's no line. Maybe a little one. Here goes the last of my dough. Almost. Half of it. And it's for you. It's a smart way to go, you know. It cleans your hands. You don't get any diseases on the camels. The camels can't really get any diseases on you, especially. We got cut in line. We were wrong. We thought there was no line and we thought we got caught. But, I mean, not caught, cut. I'm sorry, that was my fault. Okay, cut. Alright, we were wrong in two aspects. There was a line and we did not get cut. We just weren't in line. So, we're gonna go for the line experience and then maybe the camel experience. What's that mean? Is that his name? This is Sandy and Sinbad. I'm about to ride Sinbad and Sandy's just giving us a spread eagle. Look at Sandy. I guess she lives in the sand. I really don't know why they call her Sandy, but Sinbad, dude. It's like, oh yeah, I handed the lady $1 and it was $5. So I thought I handed her a 10. It's kind of my fault. Alright, well, I'm getting on the camel. That's the bottom line.
Come here. He's pretty gentle, isn't he, Rob?
Feet above the top of the saddle. Get out of the shoe.
Come on. Yeah. Come on, Josiah.
Come on. Okay. Stop.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just rode a camel and it was so much fun. I felt like I was like 30 feet in the air. They're really high up there. You know, I hope, you know, I can pursue that one day, riding camels more often. Because really, it's safe for the environment, it saves you money, and heck, I bet that camel will like me riding it. So, you know, it's a win-win-win-win-win situation. Well, we're watching Legacy right now. The drummer is Coy's dad, and their Southern Rock, they're pretty good. Let's watch them. Let's listen to them. So, we just got the Legacy experience. I played some Skinner, played Carry on My Wayward Son. It's really a great show. They're still playing behind me right now. You can probably hear them. But man, it was just nice, just chilling in the grass. There's some good Southern rock. That's where I'm from. I'm from the South, and I'm proud to say that. Alright, we totally forgot about Hunt Down Clifford. But you know, we're just walking around posted up. And you know what? We found Clifford, but it's a different Clifford. It's a different guy. So we'll see who it is. There he is. Look at the strut on that dog, man. It's just rocking. go talk to him. I don't know who he is now. I'm kind of shy around this new Clifford. He's looking a little too short. I'm just not digging it. Mission failed. Tibet. That's a very important situation in today's world. We need to free Tibet because personally, I really like Tibet and I don't want to see them enslaved or anything. So we're going to go in here. We're going to try and save Tibet. Alright, well, we're in here trying to save Tibet. It's kind of a covert mission, so we gotta keep it on the DL, but just wait.
No, I don't have anything to talk about, but I look like crap. Let's check out the buttons.
We freed Tibet, no problem. I got some nice new bumper stickers. Live simply that others may simply live. Free Tibet, got 2 of those. Remember who you wanted to be. And meet, and marry part, and marry meet again. I think all of those have a very significant meaning in my life. Every single one of them.
Yeah, that's a good point.
This is Sydney.
My former introduction.
I don't think I want to wear this.
My armpits, team. Let's go.
Put this in your car. Or you can wear it. I mean.
He's filming my body. Snap, dude. There's some people. Well, we took a break from filming, you know, to refuel. We got a hot rated pizza, get a close up of that. Yeah, it's only $5. Nice, large pizza. Got a 2-liter Coke. It's a little flat, but you know, it's liquid. It's liquid fuel. That's all that matters, because we got to keep on going. And I got a mow today, I think, and I got band practice, so I got to keep on going. Well, this is the close of my day for right now, and I'm listening to the Prince's play, Don, that's what I used to call Don Prince, and Eli Prince. We used to be pretty good buds, and got a mow, I've got band practice, so I'm gonna continue this later. Hope you've enjoyed yourself.